Hey guys, it's Ryan. Welcome back. Welcome to the investing channel. In this video, we're going to take a look at SLP. We're going to take a look at the charts. We're going to see where it might be able to go for a quick profit. So if that's something you guys are interested in, if you're into crypto or stocks, that's what I do. I do price predictions on coins and on stocks. And I let you guys know where I'm jumping in, where my exit point is, and I let you know why I'm choosing those exit points. Okay. So we'll go ahead and take a look at SLP because it's been a while. And let's just go take a look at the chart and see what's going on. All right. Hold on just a second. Let me share my screen with you guys. Share my screen. All right, here we go. There we go. I'm over on TradingView, guys. This is the platform that I use to be able to analyze everything. I do stocks and crypto in here. This is my watch list here. So this is kind of where things are at. I'm on the one-day chart. So what I do is I come in here and I draw bases for those of you guys that are new, and I draw bases. And when price action drops below that base, that's when I jump into trades. And then I wait for it to come back up, because what will usually happen is it'll break that base like it did right here. You can see this base right here. It dropped it, it broke through the base. And then what did it do? It swung back up and touched it. Okay. So that lets you know that you guys can come in and you guys can buy dips. That's how I do it. That's how I trade. Now, the thing about it is that once it breaks this base, you don't know when it's going to go back up. But if I show you that it comes back up more often than not, then you should be able to feel pretty secure that it's just a matter of a waiting game. I just sit back and I relax. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll take a look at a few more examples here. Let's see here. Here's a base right here. It broke this base and swung up. Over here, it broke this base right over here on September 7th, 2021. And what did it do? It came back up real quick on one stick. Boom. On one day, it came up and it hit that line again. But look at here. It broke another base right here. And it came back up over here. It broke this base and came up over here. It broke this base and came up over here. So this whole thing, as it's laying down here, people are selling, right? They're selling because they're getting nervous. They're thinking it's never going to come back up. And if it does come back, like, where's it going to go? But I'm letting you guys know that it's going to come back up roughly to this line. Okay. So what I do is if I was in this point right now and I didn't know where it was at, I would set my take profit right there, or maybe just a little bit below it. And I would have hit it right there. Okay. So let's keep going. So far we've got 1, we've got 2, we've got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 examples of it coming back around and touching that base, right? Wouldn't you guys like to have 70% win on your cryptos that you're jumping in on, right? Okay, so let's keep going and see if we can see some more. All right, so here's another base right here, okay? Okay, so should be able to get back, right? Let's keep looking here before I scroll over. There, right there, there's when it broke. Let me move this up. It broke right there and it swung up. It broke this base right here. Let me see if I can blow that up a little bit more for you guys so you guys can see it. Okay, it broke this base, went way down here and everyone's selling and they're like, oh, I'm getting out of this thing. And what did it do? It came back up, right? When you least expected it. It broke this one, it came up, it broke that base, it came up, it broke right there, that little one right there, and it came up, it broke this one and came up. So that was, see, the 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, that it's worked on. Okay. So if this is something that you guys haven't seen before, please look down below the video right now. There's a thumbs up icon. Just give me a thumbs up and let me know that you guys are finding this of interest. Okay. Or this is beneficial to you guys. And I'll keep doing more videos like this. And if you guys are stuck in on any other coins, I mean, we're all stuck in on coins right now, but remember, it's a waiting game. Okay. Some of these people might have to wait a month. They might have to wait 6 months. They might have to wait a year, but usually what happens is it comes back around. I still haven't sold any of mine that I'm down on right now. I'm just waiting because more often than not, it swings down and it comes back up. Why everyone else is sold, and later on they come back in and they check it and they go, oh crap, it came back up. I shouldn't have sold. So I'm holding. Okay. So let's keep going here. If remember, thumbs up down below if you like this video. So this is kind of what I'm seeing here. I'm going to explain this to you guys. Okay. So we're down here. We're just kind of lingering down in this area here, and it dropped down here in May and it's just kind of bouncing. It's lingering, but everything's down right now. All my coins are down right now. I have a lot of money in crypto, a lot of money in stocks. It's down. One of my neighbors told me that he was down 300,000 on his stocks. So it lets you know that, like, this is a global thing going on right now, but I'm still holding. I'm hoping something comes around. That's all I can do. Okay. So on the top swing back, it's roughly right there, 0.06. 0.6. We'll just say 0.6 because, these little areas further on, they don't really mean much. But it's 0.06, or you could say 0.062. So what I could do based upon history is I could wait for this to come all the way back up. These are some options that I have. Or what I could do is I could say, you know what, that's a long-term hold. I mean, this has been since November of 2021. Okay. So we are coming up on almost a year now. The last big run like this lasted about a year to about a year and 6 months, but it came back up. Okay. So I could, if I wanted to, I could sell somewhere up in here. If I bought somewhere, let's say in here, okay, what I could do is I could set my take profit anywhere in here. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to give you an amount, but I'm just going to say I can set my take profit anywhere in here. If I'm in profit, if I'm green for the day, that's all that matters. But another thing, what I could do is if I have a little extra money and I definitely believe in an SLP and I want to run with it, I could put in some money right down here while it's trickling down here, 0.003. Okay. And I could set my take profit, you know, maybe right up in here, 0.019. I could set my take profit here, 0.014, or I could set my take profit right here, 0.010. It's more likely than not, it's going to hit one of these lower areas, one of these lower tiers right here before it gets up here. I mean, this whole thing, because the whole world right now is in a big funk. This could take a couple of years. You could be sitting, you know, holding this for a while, just like all the coins. But, you know, if I set my take profit somewhere over here, it's an easier chance for it to bounce. Okay. So let's take a look. Let's see what that might calculate out to. So right now we're at, here's SLP 0.00410. Let me go over here. I'm going to, don't worry about this. Let me just do some calculations here. Where am I? I think I'll do it. I think it's down here. Okay. So we said, just stay with me. Let me try to find where I'm at. Where am I? Okay. Here I am. Okay. So 0.0041. Okay. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to put in the entry price 0.0041 and I'll put SLP over here. And I'll just get rid of this one. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about the date. And then let's see where it could potentially get to. Let's just say I wanted to go up here to 0.0147. So I'm going to go over here, exit price 0.0147. Boop. Okay, now let's say I want to invest. Let's say I have, let's just go bare minimum here for some of you guys, $100. Okay, so on $100, entering in right where it's at right now, and waiting for it to come up to right roughly there, my profit on it would be 259%. So I would make $258. Okay. But let's say I want to jump this up. Let's say I got 500. Remember, this is not advice. This is just my opinion. This is how I trade. This is how I analyze things. I'm going to change it to 500. And we're only dealing with this line right here, line row 52. Okay. I'm not dealing with the second one. Don't worry about that. Actually, well, let me do this. Okay. So watch over here. Watch this green area. So on a $500 investment, I can make $1,292, still 259% on my money. Okay. So that's how I do SLP. If you guys want a copy of my spreadsheet, I track everything. I will give this to you guys for free. Let me show you up here. What I do is I come in, I jump in, and then what I do is I put the date down. So what's today? 7/18. Oh my God, it's already the 18th. Oh yeah. Okay, so I do the 18th. I put my entry price. And this is just rough. I put my entry price. I put my exit price where I want to sell at. I can always come back in here and put in a different exit price if I don't want to wait longer. Let's say I want to come in and I want to do this. I want to like buy here and then I want to sell, maybe not here, but I want to sell right here. You know, I come in and I modify it. I put in my exit price. And then what I do is I put in how much I want to invest. Maybe I only have $50. Look, I make 129 bucks. It's rather it's sitting somewhere that could make money rather than just sitting in a bank account making 1% for the year. Okay, so if you guys want a copy of this spreadsheet, because let me show you my results. Let me go down here. So look at this is how I track everything. Look at all the green in here. You can see over here, I got all the ones that cleared. Okay, some of them are red. Some of them was because I used to get nervous and I used to sell. And then they would go, I would check like a week later or a month later and they would come back up and they would hit that mark. And so I'd be, oh man, I just lost like 700 bucks because I got nervous. I get nervous like you guys too, but not as much anymore. And I only started playing with crypto and stocks at the beginning of the pandemic. So, you know, you come in here and you basically, you know, I did buy in W Luna. I bought in hopes that it would bounce. It did bounce, but I missed the correct bounce. If I would have won, I would have made like, I think like on 500 bucks, I would have made about $150,000. It bounced that much in one afternoon and then it dropped back down again. And then Coinbase took it off their platform. So now I'm just sitting there holding it. Anyway, what I do is I track everything. And so once it clears, I put cleared and you can see here, cleared. All these are cleared. Over here, let's see, I got some more. There's some right there that cleared. And then I've got over here, all the, whoops, right here, you can see all these that have cleared in this K line here. cleared. And what happens is once they start coming back around, it's clearing. And let me show you guys. Look, cleared, cleared, cleared. These are some of the ones that I had stop losses on. I don't do stop losses anymore, although I am doing stop losses on stocks right now. And I'm testing it out on my paper trading account, and it's working pretty good. It's working pretty good. I'm playing 2 stocks against each other, and I'm seeing which they're basically inversions. And what I do is I jump in on one. Well, I jump in on both. One usually goes up while the other one goes down. Next day, this one might go down, this one goes up. And what I do is I put a stop loss on, and then I let it ride up. It doesn't ride up every day. Some days it might be a loss, but if it rides up more often than not, then I win. I'm testing it. I'll let you guys know how it works. So if you guys want a copy of this, I will give it to you for free. Just head over to my Instagram account. It's over here. It's called Investing Points. Please follow me over there. And I will be posting other price predictions like all these ones that you guys can see in here. I'll be posting them. You guys can go in here and look at these. And then just send me a DM. Say, Ryan, can I have a copy of the spreadsheet? And include your email address so I know where to send it. Okay? I'll give that to you guys for free. And here's my channel. For those of you guys that are new, if you click on my username down below my video after this is over, click on my username and you'll come to this page. Okay? And then what you can do is click on the videos tab here, and it shows up my whole library. And you can come in here and you can watch. You'll probably see some coins in here that you guys have bought in before. I would probably look at the ones that are most recent. Once they come around and they take profit, I do a green video so you guys can see that I'm taking profit. But I showed you on my spreadsheet, all the ones that have cleared. So right now everything's down, so I'm kind of waiting for everything to come back around. But if it comes back around, let's say 9 out of 10 times, that's 90%. Who goes out and trades and gets 90%, right? Now, there always is a potential for just a random, odd 100-year flood where like everybody gets screwed, okay? So keep in mind, there's always that potential there. We're in a world of pain right now around the globe. And I don't know if you guys watch normal news, then you're not seeing it. But if you are looking at some of these other social media platforms that are out there where the average person like you and I are posting stuff, you're seeing a lot of stuff going on. And it's a little scary out there. I have faith though. Anyway, so that's my my rabbit hole. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. If you guys like this video, please remember to thumbs up and subscribe down here in the bottom right-hand corner. And then also, if you guys want to add a comment down below, maybe you're stuck in on a coin, maybe you'd like me to do a video like this on a coin that you're stuck in on and you want to see if you're still within the dip, then just add a comment down below and say, hey, Ryan, what do you think about this one? I bought in on SNX at this price. Do you think I should get out of it? Do you think I should sell? And I'll give you my opinion. Remember, it's not advice. It's just my opinion. It's what I see. And if I was stuck in on it and I was down below, I would analyze it and I would make a decision on what works for me. So anyway, I'll let you know what I see, what I think, and then it's up to you guys. Okay. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll be doing more videos here. I'm doing a whole remodel on the house. Well, on the kitchen, and it's just taking a lot of time. I'll do a video on it. I'll show you guys here probably in the next day or two. Okay. All right. Thanks guys for watching. Have a great night, and I will talk to you later. Bye-bye.